Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the top anti-aging secrets that work wonders for all skin types. So, whether you have dry, oily or combination skin, stick around because these tips are perfect for you. First, let's quickly talk about skin types. Knowing your skin type is crucial for choosing the right anti-aging products. Here is a quick breakdown. Dry skin often feels tight and may have flakiness. Oily skin, shiny and may be prone to breakouts. Combination skin, a mix of both dry and oily areas. Understanding your skin type will help you mix these secrets effectively. Now, let's get into the anti-aging secrets. Here are my top anti-aging secrets that you can mix and match for your skin type. First, hydration is key. No matter your skin type, hydration is essential. Use a hyaluronic acid serum to lock in moisture. For dry skin, pair it with a rich moisturizer. For oily skin, opt for a lightweight gel moisturizer. Think of your skin cells like delicate flowers. They need water to thrive. When your skin is properly hydrated, it's like magic. Fine lines become less noticeable. Your complexion looks plumper and more youthful, and your natural radiance shines through. But here's the thing, drinking water, while essential, it is not enough on its own. We need to up our hydration topically too. That means finding a moisturizer that suits to your skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, a true miracle worker that draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. You can also incorporate hydrating foods into your diet like watermelon, cucumber and spinach. Second is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse for brightening and protecting your skin. Use vitamin C serum in the morning. It's great for all skin types. Just make sure to follow up with sunscreen. Next is protect yourself from the sun. One of the most important things you can do is protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Wear sunscreen every single day, even when it's cloudy outside. UV rays can penetrate clouds and cause damage, leading to premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. Fourth is retinol for renewal. Retinoids, derived from vitamin A, are absolutely game changers when it comes to fighting those visible signs of aging. They work their magic by boosting cell turnover, which means they help your skin shed those dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, radiant skin underneath. Start with low concentration if you have sensitive skin and gradually increase. 5. Antioxidant-rich foods. Don't forget about your diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. They help fight free radicals that age your skin. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are amongst the highest antioxidant containing fruits. Antioxidants help to prevent premature skin aging by reducing the damaging effects of free radicals. Next is regular exfoliation. Exfoliating 1 or 2 times a week can help remove dead skin cells. Regular exfoliation can also help prevent clogged pores, resulting in fewer breakouts. Long-term exfoliating can increase collagen production. Collagen is key to glowing, vibrant skin. The protein also promotes skin elasticity, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and related sagging. Another crucial tip is to manage stress. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can trigger inflammation and lead to breakouts. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. 9. Make time for physical activity. Although being active is known to help the heart and mind, recent studies suggest that some type of exercise might also benefit the skin. One study found that cardio exercise boosted mitochondrial function. Another study found that resistance training benefited aging skin by reducing inflammation and strengthening the skin's extracellular matrix. Remember, healthy, radiant skin is achievable for everyone with a little bit of love, care, and the power of natural ingredients. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural skincare content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And as always, remember to be kind to your skin and to yourself. See you in the next video.